Hi guys, welcome back to new XT tutorial. I'm really sorry I didn't post any video for a month. It's because of my exams, but now I am back on the schedule. So let's get into the video. As you already know, Adobe XD has won the battle with 3D transform is now available in only Adobe XD. But if you remember, if you are a user of Figma, you should know that there is a plugin which also provide 3D transform, but it's not that much capable like Adobe XD this 3D transform, and I must say it is the best update Adobe XD has ever showed us. So let's get started. As you can see, Adobe just announced, and as you can see, Adobe XD at this 3D transform, you will find this Adobe XD block link in the description below. Now let's see what Adobe XD can do now for us. Isn't that amazing? This 3D transformation and rotating circle. I will upload this tutorial in a couple of days. Let's see. This is a new text, and how can we convert this text into 3D? You can see there is a 3D cubic transformation icon here. We just need to click it, and now we are in a 3D space for this artboard. We need to change its rotation. Let's say we are at 45 degree on x-axis, 85 I think, let's say 10 degree x. For y we say 20, and for z we say it will rotate like 10. We can also rotate all this text with this handy icon within the center of the screen. If you know CSS, you should know what is this Z value. It tells us how far the element is closer to our screen. We can, let's say if we change it to, I think it goes maximum to 800. See, now it's very much closer to our eyes. That's why we can't see it. If we start reducing, it's coming back and how say, see, we also go in negative. I think also might say minus 100. Yes, we can. Amazing. We can also add 3D to any element. If we have selected any element and change it into 3D, every next element we add into our canvas, it will be automatically enabled with 3D transform. Now let's say we change its color so it's easily visible. It's good. And now we can rotate with this in y, in x direction. For y it will move like this, and when we go into the center, now this is showing us our z direction. As I just explained, what is the value of z, how far and closer our element will be from our screen. The next, let's me remove this one and change back to 0, leave it like this. Now Adobe also added this new feature. Let me show you. For text height and width and the fixed size, if we click and start typing, let's say UI underscore tuts, As you can see, it's automatically select the auto width feature here, so no matter how much text you add, it will only increase in the width. Oops, sorry for that. If we want to add more text, let's say in height, if we are adding in a column, we can change it to auto height, and now if we start adding this, it will fix the width and start adding more text in a column, in a vertical space. Okay, now let's say if we have close this like this, but we want to show all the text we have, we can change this into, you see, it's automatically, as I move this, it automatically change this into fixed size. If we go back to this and come this, it's also now again fixed size. Let me show you 1 second. You see, now it's on, don't show any more text, and the height and width is fixed. If we click on this, it will show all the text. And the next and very much useful update is for component. Let's remove this and add new text. Let's say add SUBCR subscribe, center it, and if you will, before this update, we cannot add component inside another component like a child and parent terminology, but now we can easily do this. If we press Ctrl K or Command K, we got our component. Let's say we call it comp1, and we duplicate this and we call it now. If we this control, wait a second here, and if we say this to comp, Control Shift remove, now yes, Control K, and we call it comp2. What we want to do is we want to add comp2 into comp1. We just select comp2, cut it here, go to comp1, select any of its layer and just paste it, Control V. We can also duplicate this. Let's say comp2 and we can add comp3 right within. As you add this parent and child into each other, you will see a notification main component was pasted as an instance. Now this becomes comp1 become our parent, and comp2 and 3 now are our child elements. There are many other updates also, small updates, just like we now have library, just like sketch in our Adobe XD also, so you can gather all your elements, all your style and character styles components in your library and document assets. Another thing is that Adobe XD plugin is also now available for Visual Studio Code. If you are a developer, it will be super helpful for you. And now co-editing is also now available, no more in beta. They have fixed all the errors. Now if you just go in there and click on this invite to document, you will see collaboration, invite up to one another, upgrade to others, and see the premium feature. You don't need to do that. You just need to add anyone, their email, let's say abc@gmail.com, and any message option one, an invitation will be sent to him, and view both of your team, both of you and your teammates can now easily do co-editing inside Adobe XD. There are also 275 plugins also added, and some of them are coming, just like Marpy, and Zoom, Microsoft Teams, user Zoom into Adobe XD, which will be coming very fast, and soon we will start making much more best tutorials for you. So if you like the video, go hit the subscribe button. Let's see we can reach 1000 subscriber in 1 month. Thank you very much for your appreciation. I will see you in the next video.